Okay, doing a quick review of the StrikePen tactical pen. This was from DIY Hub on Facebook. There weren't a lot of reviews, so I thought I'd do a quick review of it. I've got two other pens here. This is from Tactical Gear, and this one is Kershaw, and we'll just compare it to those two. So this took about a week to get here. Again, I ordered a link from DIY Hub, but it came from Ape Survival. It came with a cool sticker. That's awesome. A coupon and a receipt. So that's what all you get. Now then, StrikePen. We've got the pen. The refill, and I'm guessing that is a blade you can swap out. Looks like it's got a bottle opener, a small wrench, flathead screwdriver, and a rough edge probably for opening boxes. So size wise, again, this is the Tactical Gear. It's a little thinner than the Tactical Gear, a little thinner than the Kershaw. So there. You've got a hard tip, and the pen, assuming, is in here. Nope, there's the knife. Okay, so there's the knife, which unscrews. Maybe this is a more airline friendly version that you could take on a plane. So it screws in there. And flashlight, I'm assuming the battery's got a safety on it. Yeah. So it uses one of the 3 packs of the button cell. There we go. Okay, batteries may be dead. Try going upside down with them, which I doubt will make a difference, but worth a try. Oh, there you go. Alright, so the battery needs to be turned upside down and the thing taken off. Decent flashlight. Oh, now that's fun. That's cool. Didn't expect that. So where's the pen? There's the pen. Okay, so flashlight unscrews, giving you the pen with the hard tip. Pen works good enough. So when you unscrew it, I guess you can't really do that with it. To change the refill, let's see. Swap it like that. Spring comes off. So there's a lot going on here, but it all seems to work okay. It's fun. The pen was free with $10 shipping, which is pretty fair. I would have bought this at a gun show for something fun for about that price. So there it is. Not as heavy as my other two. This one, the Kershaw, is a beast. There's no knife or anything. It's just a pen. Same with this one from Tactical Gear. It's got the hard tip, and then again just a pin. I think it's the same refill actually as those others. Nope, this is the cross style refill. Yeah, same with the Kershaw's cross style refill. Again, they're fun, neat to have. I wouldn't want my life to depend on this to save me, but I'd rather have this than nothing. And again, the blade's a pretty neat touch to it as well. Again, that's kind of a serrated edge on that one. So there it is. If you see this deal come up again, it's probably worth it to get. So hope that was helpful. StrikePen from Ape Survival and DIY. Who did I say it was? DIY Hub.